I am Saatvika and I am studying in 7th standard. I am from Hyderabad and I got to know about these meditation classes due to my mother's friend. I got connected with Anita ma'am and Srividya Bhagini a lot. I learned a lot in these meditation classes. Believe me, they're so amazing and very interesting indeed. So I gained spiritual knowledge, learned Sanskrit, made some simple crafts, experimented, learned Bhagavad Gita shlokas, drew some pictures, learned about plants, like how to take care of them, learned Vedic mathematics, and about Dattatreya's guru. I do meditation every day for about half an hour. So ever since I started doing meditation, I was stress relieved. So whether I join some classes 5 to 6 hours or whatever I do continuously, I don't get stressed and tired of anything. I want to do more of them. So due to meditation, there were a lot of benefits for me. I observed a lot of changes in me. So since I started joining these meditation classes, the changes I was able to observe in myself were remembering things and completing my daily tasks without any reminder, prioritizing my things, realizing my mistakes, and I got connected and I started getting connected with nature. I got inspired by the spiritual knowledge that Shaila Man shared. So I still reflect on the 3 filters before speaking. Is it useful? Is it good or bad? And is it necessary? I also got inspired by the rice experiment and Dattatreya's guru. So before speaking, I also reflect about whether this is a positive thought or whether it is a negative thought, or even though if it is a negative thought, if we release the thought, is it appropriate? Will it bring a better improvement for others or for anything? So if we release positive thoughts, many things like trees, people and all will get encouraged and they want to do more things. But if you release a negative thought, they get demotivated, they get discouraged and they don't want to do anything. So like a short story that Anita ma'am used to say, there were a few Russians. So whenever they wanted to cut down some trees, but they wouldn't do it on their own. So they would release some negative thoughts. So, and then later the trees got demotivated and discouraged. And due to that, some on the other day they fell down. So if you keep releasing negative thoughts like that, people will stop showing up themselves and the hidden potential inside them is never shown. They're always shy to express their feelings or speak about anything. And every day before sleeping, I write my learnings from everything, like be it a cloud, be it weather. So I keep writing down whatever I learned, from a dog, from a cat, from some mechanical object, anything. And I would like to thank Pyramid Call Services for such a wonderful opportunity. The knowledge I gained is helping me make me a better person of myself, better version of myself. So I'm looking forward for more such wonderful opportunities from Pyramid Call Services. Thank you. So please subscribe Pyramid Call Services Bengaluru channel for more such notifications.